EnviroAir offers heating and air and ventilation for commercial and residential customers in the Triangle. We've been in business almost 10 years. I actually started working for my father growing up doing heating and air. He owned a company out of town, and I just always fell into it, took a liking to it, found out it's a good business and always in demand. We provide services such as cooling repair, replacement, heating repair and replacement, dryer vent cleaning, servicing, ductwork replacement, ductwork cleaning, gas services, anything ventilation related or exhaust related. Our primary customers are residential in the Triangle area. We're licensed all over the state, so we can go anywhere in North Carolina. We also do commercial customers. We have a lot of preventative maintenance contracts and plans, quarterly services, annual services, year-round.